Okay, Proton Saga BLM FLX installed for Cogoo S Series light, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, 9-inch big screen Android GPS player with OEM big screen casing, which is good fitting. So you have to change your big screen casing. OEM socket plug and play. So IPS screen player, Cogoo S Series, multi-angle view, still the same color. So this is the casing, 9-inch special casing, plug and play. This is clip in, and an OEM socket plug and play. This is power socket for Proton. Just plug in, no cut wiring. Okay, and connect with a Cogoo night view plus reverse camera. Let me show you for a reverse. So it's got a fixed line, green, yellow, red. Okay, Android GPS player, full menu. You have to go to the setting, turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, your phone share hotspot, connect with player Wi-Fi for internet. Car setting, equalizer preset, and hi-fi on off. Hi-fi on is more powerful. Okay, system info, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, Android version 8.1, 2020 January. Factory setting, password 8888. GPS detect. So it's got a GPS antenna here. Preset volume, brightness, daytime and nighttime. Preset navigation, steering control function, reverse mute. Click this one. When you reverse, music keep on. You unclick when you reverse, music off. FM tuner radio. Okay, choose the frequency you want and click the save icon. Save. Okay, reverse. Okay, radio still keep on. Okay, clear apps. It's got a video input and video output. Video output you can connect to a roof monitor or headrest monitor, external monitor. So Android player, Play Store, you log in a Gmail to download app. Online TV APK. File manager. So Android big screen player, it's got a 9-inch or 10-inch player. So it's no SD card, no DVD slot. It's got a 2 USB slot. So got a USB extension. We put in a drawer. You can insert a USB pen drive or USB portable hard disk. Back to home. Scroll down. Switch. Okay, nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen. Music or radio keep on. Okay, touch anyway to turn it on. Back to home. Okay, turn on headlight. auto dim, and got a light on the left hand side icon. Turn off, turn on, off. So this is Cogoo S Series 9-inch big screen Android GPS player with special OEM big screen casing, good fitting, and OEM socket plug and play. For Proton Saga BLM FLX. Installed by OneBiz. Shop in Cheras, Balakong. And video by Andy. Thank you.